again, up against the wall between the sheets. I swore this time would be the last time. Somehow we seem to catch up and make up for lost time by losing sleep. Turn off the phones, no ringers. The person I've called is out of reach.
What's going on, everybody? Hey, from that B-roll y'all seen, I had the opportunity to get another dunk in hand. Man, I'm telling y'all, the sneaker guys, they stay shining down on me. With this, I was able to bring you guys an early look because I did get early access. So this particular sneaker will not be dropping until September 10th. But hopefully today you guys will get the look that you need in order for you to make the decision whether this is something that you would like to have in your collection or if you're gonna pass on it. So let's get right into it, y'all.
I'm tainted, now you ruin me. You check off the list of the many things you do to me.
So straight out the packaging, guys, we get that red and white Nike box. It does have the branding on each side. And there we have the size tag. And it reads Nike Dunk Low SP. Official colorway is multicolor lemon wash. And it is a size 7 for that personal size, and it did retail at $100, guys. So these are the community gardens, or what everybody likes to call them, the lemon wash. Ooh-wee. Okay. Now, I'll have to say, okay, before we put these in the mix, this was a dunk that I was on the fence about, okay? So when I first seen the images, I said, you know, but then I said, I definitely want to give them a chance, so let's go ahead and get them in hand, see how I'm feeling about them, so you can see how you feel about them, you know? And then we'll know whether we want to try our luck on Thursday, right? Now that we have them out the box, y'all already know. Let's put them in a mix. So the first thing I immediately noticed, guys, is the tint of the actual shoe. So in my opinion, as far as the images went, the colors seem to be more on like a dull side of the spectrum, but actually in hand, I do like the color scheme of it. I do like the way that they are put together. I also noticed this outer sole, which I'll give you guys a chance to take a look at in just a second. And then these laces. So it looks like this pair will only come with one set of laces, but to be totally honest with you, these joints are fire. These laces are fire, so I wouldn't even swap them out for anything else. I really enjoy it. And each pair is supposed to have its own pattern. So that's another feature that, you know, could be a selling point for a lot of people. So just giving you guys an up close look here. And then we're gonna dive right into that outer sole. And this is one of those cool features that I was speaking on. So what they did is they used that eco-friendly material that they've been doing for the space hippies, which is pretty cool. And as I get it closer, you guys can kind of see that detail in the outer sole. And as we move into the midsole, that's more of like a sail color. Now, when we get into the upper, that's when everything starts to happen, y'all. And this, in my opinion, is what sets this sneaker apart. The couple things that we've been seeing lately is the Dunk has come out with very simplistic colors, but it's been crazy detail within those. And so this particular pair, when I first seen it, is definitely outside the box. And so, like I said, a few of the images that I seen, the colors didn't necessarily pop to me, so it was a mystery. But as we get up close and personal, y'all. Just look at it. Like the quarter panel, you can see the variations of it. It looks almost like a tie-dye effect running through there. And then you have the floral designs. And then, as you can see, they have the lemon drops, and that's kind of where that lemon wash comes from. So you have a few colors in here. You have that cardinal red. Then you have like a midnight turquoise, and then you have that yellow. And as we move around to the front of the sneaker, you guys will see right here on this toe box, it's a mixture of colors. And so it's almost like the midnight turquoise is infused within the cardinal red, and that's what came up with that color for that part of the canvas. It's just a nice touch to this sneaker, guys. It's crazy detail. Now moving up the tongue, it actually is split. So half of it looks as the toe box does, and then the upper half is going to be more of that midnight turquoise color. Like I showed you guys, let's get a close-up of those laces. Those are the lemon color. And man, these laces hit hard off of the canvas. That's crazy. As we move up to the tab there, it's more of like that sail color, and then you get that Nike check in that cardinal red. As we move to the medial side of the sneaker, and the layout is identical to the lateral side, just the designs obviously are not going to match up or anything. It's going to have its own unique style on that side as well, but just giving you guys another up close look here of the actual pattern that is on my pair. And then as we move around to the heel of the sneaker, at the bottom here you can see more of like that dye kind of design that was dipped in there. You can see a little bit of the floral design in the cardinal back there as well. And then as we move up here, we have that lemon tab, and then we have the Nike stitched in cardinal red. To be very honest, guys, I am extremely happy that I got them in hand. I'm not disappointed. Once again, I was able to get my hands on a pair of dunks that have crazy quality and design, and just overall unique. It's unique, guys, and those are characteristics that I look for in my sneakers. So I'm not mad about it. I'm actually excited that I did pull the trigger. Hopefully these up close looks, guys, have given you the ability to decide what you're gonna do. There's a couple more things that I want to show you within the shoe, and then y'all know what time it is. So as we get inside, that sock liner is going to be midnight turquoise, and then the insole is going to be the cardinal red, and the Nike check is going to be that lemon color. Yeah. Another successful cop for me. So I want you guys to drop me a comment and let me know, is this something that you will be going after on Thursday, or is it a hard pass, or even are you going to cop it just to resell? I know a lot of people this year have really been riding this wave, but pretty much to make money off of it. Not the case for me, and to each his own. You know, if that's what you feel like you want to do with your sneaker, cool, but this is one that is going to stay in the collection, okay? So before we get out of here, guys, make sure you have hit that like button and also subscribed and turn on that notification bell. Tomorrow, or when you see this, it is going to be Rewind Wednesday, y'all. So make sure those alerts are turned on, because y'all don't want to miss out on me and the gang, you know, showing y'all what deals and different things we got along the way. And also talk about some of those L's, right? That's the life of a sneakerhead. To my newcomers, I appreciate you guys tuning in. And to all of my returners, guys, your continued support is greatly appreciated. We are knocking on the door, y'all. 1,000 subs is almost here. But our time is coming to an end, so y'all already know. Let me take y'all to this on foot.
It's been a while since been around. I know I just wanna spend this time with you. So don't tell me you got plans. I gotta make up for this lost time and I'm late. Trying to get back to you. Running out of time, tell me it's not too late. I'm on my way. Tell me where you at so I can get you for the weekend. I know you miss me when I'm gone. I'll call you when I'm close. And you know, once I hit the highway, babe, you're my next stop. When I pull up, just be ready, and I'll be ready. Anytime you call, just pick up the phone.